I just came in here and Z06 is lame. Dude, he's never on here.
That's because there was always boxes on there.
Oh.
Since I've moved them, he's been on there every day.
What are you doing? Okay, alright. You got the life. Let's check on Jerry.
The Jerry.
Hey, heads are off.
Heads will roll.
Oh, come on. It's great.
You don't like that noise?
Oh, you didn't know that? I hate that noise.
Sorry, I'll go nice and slow for
Thank you.
Matt's like...
Dude, I hate it. It's like nails on a chalkboard times 10.
I don't think it's... see, I never got a... Those noises never bothered me.
Oh, that's bothers
Like that right there?
Yeah, that bothers me.
So if people chew loud, you get...
No, that doesn't bother me.
Dude, once with these guys, Matt's is... Dude, it makes me mad.
Yeah.
It literally makes me mad. If Cassie bites her fork, I lose my mind.
They're loud masticators.
What's the word for it?
Come on, you. There's an actual like
terminology
phobia of it that I do not know. And by the way, they are Frankenstein heads, not AI boys. So we just found out Jerry's only had orange juice like once or twice in his
Dude,
life.
I drink orange juice by the gallon. I love it.
I'll eat a tomato raw.
I don't like tomatoes. Hate
I don't
them.
like tomatoes either, but I'll eat them.
Yeah, how orange juice once or twice?
Or a tomato.
What a weirdo.
Yeah, I hate tomatoes, and I've even had one.
Yeah. Brussels sprouts?
I mean, that's not...
I mean, that's an odd thing.
Growing up, I hated them, but now you ever have like bacon Brussels? Oh, they're so good.
Jerry's never had orange juice.
Jerry's had it once or twice, he just said.
Orange juice?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like the most common drink as a kid.
From like 1 year old to like...
Never had a tomato.
He didn't say he had it once or twice.
He did. He said once or twice.
Well then, no, he told maybe this is after I was born.
I clearly said I've had it
He
twice.
said it once or twice.
Yeah, he said he had it once or twice.
Oh my god, so much going on. So the Frankenstein heads are on. Orange juice drinking.
If you ask the people what's better, orange juice or apple juice, they're gonna say apple juice.
No.
Guarantee it.
Alright, let's do a poll.
The poll is up, Fran. Orange juice or apple juice? I said apple juice is gonna win.
No, it's not.
It's not.
It's going to.
The average age of people on our fucking YouTube is not 6.
Yeah.
If it was 6, apple juice would win.
Yeah.
I don't mind apple juice, but I much rather prefer orange.
There's a reason orange juice outsells apple juice like 10 to 1.
Would you look this up?
Don't know if that's exactly because
It's
of kids.
100% a fact.
Oh, here we go. 100% a fact.
Worthless facts, Steve. He's like
60% of the time, I'm right every
He
time.
doesn't know that. He's making up in his head. It's 100% a fact in his head.
You never drank apple juice and went to sleep? Weird green, dude.
What?
I don't think those are connected at all.
Look it up.
No, there's no way.
Crazy green.
Okay, it's more like 2, so 66%
I
more.
thought it was 100% a fact, though.
Whatever. I was right 60% of the time.
100% a fact.
2 to 1.
60% of the time, I'm 100% correct.
Yeah. Either way, orange juice is still outsells apple juice.
The decrease in your neurotransmitter, acetylene, apple juice may increase acetylene levels in the brain. It may lead to vivid dreams.
I'm gonna start drinking apple juice before bed. Start freaking tripping.
Yeah, dude. Somebody told me that once, and I'm like, kind of bugging out about it because I was drinking apple juice. Go to sleep, dude. I was like, oh.
813, by the way, Eric. That's what I made on E. In case you're wondering.
Not bad. Probably make 900 if we get to Roundabout.
Yeah, Fran was saying at least 50. Damn, this thing's kind of got some
About 40,000 miles on it.
heavy carbon buildup, yeah. I mean, I know DI stuff is prone to it, but the meth will help. I saw one of the comments, someone asked how detrimental meth is for, they're asking if it is. It's actually the opposite. It actually helps clean carbon buildup and stuff like that. It's actually one of its benefits. So
Alcohol.
yeah, exactly. I mean, even in a 50-50 mix, water, M1, or just straight M1 both help. So Yeah, it does have. I mean, this one's.
The one is just from the injectors when I was spraying it. It all came down the hole.
Okay.
Pulled the injector through the head down to the cylinder.
That makes sense. Yeah, usually, I mean, all DI stuff, that's kind of what they're known for, is having issues like that. DI. I'm just saying, direct injection stuff, they do it. DI, bro. All right, we'll see if you're still in that great talking attitude in the next hour. You're gonna get what's coming to you, Matthew. So we're gonna do a baseline, maybe 2 pulls, see what this does with the tune that's in it. What tune was this one? Do you know?
This, I think.
Black Bear.
And then there's also, I guess, whatever came with the blower on this.
Okay.
But I think this has a stock tune on it too. So I'm basically just making it a pull how it sits, and then returning it back to stock, and then I'll tune it. So we won't test it with the, is this Edelbrock?
Yeah.
We won't test it with the Edelbrock.
Okay.
I got time.
Yeah, that'd be too much. There you have it, both pulls. First pull 481, 545. Second pull 470, 546. Pretty close. A little bit of a drop. The second one maybe got a little hot, but we literally just started. So consistent torque. Making 9.7 pounds of boost. All right, so now you're gonna be flashing back to stock, so he has that on the controller or whatever you want to call it.
I guess, honestly, I don't know.
And then we will go from there. 9.7 pounds boost.
Yeah, it's a lot of boost.
Yeah. For a stock piston.
Yeah.
LT.
No cam or nothing, yeah, it's a lot.
And once again, we didn't build the truck, we just put plugs in it, and we're tuning it. If we were to do it, we'd probably put a bigger pulley on, make less boost, or put a cam in it. With this pulley, we'd probably get it to about the 8 max boost we would have for one of these stock pistons.
Probably. Program vehicle.
Now we have done comparisons of these controllers before. Check out that video. People rant and rave about how great they are, but nothing beats a dyno tune or even a street tune with a wideband.
Yeah.
That's what we're doing. So one of the customer's concerns was running rich. The reference line right now is at 12.0. Maybe 11.5 dip down. Let me actually pull it up. Yeah. 11.5 briefly. That's nothing to be concerned about. Obviously it shifted early. We didn't get a full pull out of it. The torque is up quite a bit. Horsepower's up a little bit, but probably would have been a lot more had we been able to rev it out all the way. It started going up and then shifted, so. There we go. 505, 570. We were able to rev it out where we should have been able to. Air fuel still looks good. Pretty good.
Thanks. Riding on my skateboard, drinking an ocean spray.
Yeah.
That's what song that is.
I know. kind of put them back on the map. Fleetwood Mac.
Yep. And this dude got a bunch of...
Got a house, a car, a truck, I mean.
Yep.
Yeah. All for just riding around a skateboard drinking cranberry juice.
Yeah, it looked like he had about $2 to his name too before. Like if you looked at a picture of his trailer that he was in when Ocean Spray gave him the truck, it was like...
Yeah. Well, now he's doing better.
Good for him.
Yeah. All because he probably had a UTI.
Oh.
Why else would you drink a freaking liter of cranberry juice?
Can a guy get a UTI?
I don't know. Can
I don't think so.
Whatever. Maybe he had a drug test.
Yeah, I think that's a girl-only thing.
Whatever. Maybe he had a drug test. He was trying to clean himself out.
Like maybe a dog or something. I don't think that's a guy thing.
I don't know. I'm pretty sure you still can.
I don't...
Still your urinary tract. So yes, you can get an infection on a urinary tract if you're a guy or a girl. I think it's just easier for girls. You definitely can.
Yeah, although your UTIs are more common in women, men can get them.
Damn, I'm good. Dr. Steve at it again.
Oh, Dr. Steve. You ever heard of a f***ing guy say he has a f***ing UTI?
No, I'm just saying maybe he did.
Pussy.
I'm just saying he turned his lemons into
my
lemonade.
pussy's infected. Bacteria.
I can't use any of this now.
Yes, you can.
You're ruining it.
No, I'm not. You're allowed to say pussy. He's talking about his cat. Or his plant. His pussy willow. Pussy.
You done yet?
Yeah, probably.
Alright, good. So here are our gains so far. Looking pretty good. So it falls off a little up high. Hopefully if we can get that more steady, we should be able to make quite a bit more. So this thing ended up picking up pretty good power.
Yeah.
It sucks seeing, like, I'm sure people are going to complain about that graph, how they're like...
Well, it's hard on this thing because I can't, like, lock it in gear, so, like, I'm rolling into the throttle, like, so that's why it might look weird down low, but okay up top.
Right. They're always tricky. I mean, even the baseline looks the same way. It's just, you can't do a whole lot. Otherwise, it'll just downshift.
Yeah. Like, even if I say to lock it in gear, it doesn't.
Time for some trans. Yeah. Bill already had to go. He had to go to Greg, so he won't be here. He'll have to watch later. Look at you, cleaning all the carbon off. What a nice guy. A little car update here. Eric is working on valve springs for the heads on this. He's already got his head studs in. Obviously, cam is in as well. Obviously.
Dave, at least you know. At least you know.
Making those obvious.
And you're good at it.
Yep, I know. Good at something, Eric. Good at something. And then Matt has this thing going back together. Blower is on. Throttle body belt is on. Everything else is looking pretty good. Mesh system looks pretty wired up. Not sure if he started the fuel cell. You did. Okay. Regulators back there. Everything's plumbed. Moving right along. And then Jerry's cleaning up the mess he made.
Yep. Knocked over my coal jug.
Nice job, buddy. Nice freaking job.
Almost as good as my videotaping skills.
Yeah, your videotaping skills are not very good. Steve, your job is like so easy. Hands phone to Jerry. Films it in time-lapse mode.
Listen.
Thanks, buddy.
Give it to me, I just push the button.
But that's apparently all I do. Jerry couldn't do it. So this thing is all wrapped up. Did already have the Haltech on it. We just finished up the heads. Manifold's back on. Exhaust is back wrapped up. I think he did straighten the exhaust tips as well. Let's double check.
You want me to put it at eye level for you?
Nah, dude, that's perfect. Well done, Jer.
Just gotta clean them.
Well done.
These were not needed by previous install.
Looks good. C6 Z already had a Holtec on it for the baseline, made for 80.
And B&B mufflers.
And B&B mufflers. We did Frankenstein heads only, so fixed heads. So should make a little over 5.
5. What did it baseline?
40.
It'll make.
525.
I don't know if it'll go that high. 519.
I'm gonna take this one. This one in the bag.
We'll see.
We shall see.
It's supposed to snow Sunday and Monday.
I know, I heard, I just saw.
5 inches Sunday, 4 inches Monday. So so probably like 1 inch Sunday, 3/4 of an inch Monday.
Dude, we don't get shit nowhere. Literally like half-hour drive
North?
PA.
Oh yeah, 10 times what we do.
Like, it's just something about like this line.
Yeah, they always say the 95 corridor. Literally, we're like right in that line. Like, this storm could shift a mile and we could get 10 inches versus rain.
Yeah. The last storm, all we got was rain, and
yeah,
my parents had 8 inches or 6 inches.
And guy I race with, Mike Thompson, he's in upstate New York.
Oh.
They got like 48 inches or some shit. Like literally 48 inches. And
yeah, Buffalo, Rochester.
and then like 3 or 4 days later, they got like another foot or something. Fucking crazy.
Upstate gets a lot.
Yeah.
Damn, I'm good.
I said, not really.
I mean, you're okay as well for getting the tune pretty close on the first pull. But my guess was
Pretty close.
Yeah, that's pretty close.
I mean,
I'm not going to give you that much credit.
it was legit the first pull.
Well, all we did was heads, so, you know.
Still changes fueling and timing and like 78 other things.
Whatever, man.
Your
Close.
guess was good, but my tune was better.
I was 1 horsepower away.
Yeah, that's because I made you not be dead on.
Is that what it was?
Yeah.
Okay.
I put in the 526 tune.
Oh, did you? Nice.
I didn't want to put the 525 in.
Wow.
I'm going to put the 523 tune in now. It's going to lose 3.
That's nice. Still closer.
Somebody's closer.
Somebody's closer.
So Matt has that CO1 all wrapped up. It's running. Just checking over everything. Gauge all wired up. Meth light wired. Looking good. Ready for a tune.